Alright guys, today I'm going to be putting the welded diff in. I've welded it all up. I've put a plate in the middle, welded it to the carrier, so it should be fairly strong. Shouldn't break, definitely shouldn't break. So I had a little thing where I thought I put the plate too far in and then I couldn't slip the axles in, but I worked out that it's all good. So I've got to go and get some seals and what else do I need? I need something else. Some diff fluid to put in it and it'll be good to go. And then that's one step closer. I've got a little bit of paint on here. I didn't undercoat or anything, I just put some quick dry enamel on it. This stuff's good. I painted my last one in this. It's good enough. It's cheap, $70 for 4 litres. And she's easy to paint. She comes out pretty good. That's with just a Scotch-Brite. Sand it down, and then no primer, just the paint. Put the fuel pressure regulator back in. Taped everything. So next, to put the motor back in when I get the wiring harness in. The wiring harness is all ordered. I've just got to wait on it. It's going to be about 2 weeks, I think. In 2 weeks we should be able to get it back in and running. Well guys, another day and we're going to be doing some more stuff. So I've got this bolt snapped in the head for the exhaust manifold, so I'm going to try and weld and get it out. I tried before but that was inside the car, so it was a bit harder. On the other side, this was about a month back, I got 2 snapped ones out, so it works, so we'll try again. So anyway, got the welder set up and got some tape over the exhaust port there. I'm going to try and get this out with a welder, and then I might weld a nut on it or get lock-ons on it or something. We'll work it out. Right, so it just broke off, so I'm going to have to try and get a better weld on it. Got a nut there, I'll try and weld to it. So I'll let that cool down and harden up. We'll see how it would go. She's still a bit hot. Snapped right off again. So I've got it on a high heat. I think we need to up the wire speed a bit. See how we go this time. So after I do this, I'm going to take the coil packs off, clean them up, and then clean the valve covers up, and then I'm just going to give them a coat of red paint like the engine made. I reckon it'll look quite good and it'll break up all the aluminium looking stuff. This one's a bit bigger of size. Well, I don't know if it's coming or not. Well, this time the weld didn't snap the bolt where I welded it to the bolt snap. Got that thing red hot. So we're gonna let it cool down and we'll be back. Looks like I've got it. Try and find a socket to fit it. Alright, so here that's what we've done there. Let me zoom out, there we go. So you can just whack a huge weld because the weld doesn't actually stick to the aluminium since they're aluminium heads. So yeah, so you can just lob a huge hot weld in there and try and get it to penetrate to the bolt that's stuck in there, and then weld a nut and it should come out on the third try. I'm going to keep getting this nut out. So here's the bolt there, got it out. So now I'm just going to give the where I welded on the thing, I'm just going to scuff it up a little bit of Scotch-Brite. And there we are there, one bolt out. Right, so we got the valve cover off. Actually looks alright in there. No sludge, but a little bit of just a darky colour, but I think that's pretty normal. It's got 220,000 Ks, so yeah, doesn't look too bad. Nothing's broken in there, which is good. Here's the other side. Looks good anyway, so we're gonna go and clean the sludge up off the top. I'll show you. So we're going to scrub them up and get rid of all the oil, and then I started to tidy up some wiring while that other stuff was running. And I got some loom, routed that a different way, and this is for thermo fans. Just try and neaten it up. The relays were out on the outside, but I put them on the inner fender well there, and then I ran them up through here so it's a little bit cleaner. Here's the gauge, that's for the water temp gauge. So that's all the wiring you're really going to see, and then the wiring from the starter motor and the alternator go onto that, and that's all you're going to see. I tidied up, I re-loomed all this up, give it a little freshen up because it was a bit brittle from the heat of the exhaust. So I'm just waiting for the valve covers to dry over there. Then once they're dry, I'm going to take them over there and just spray them up. So there's the first coat down. So the gun was like pressurizing the actual where the paint goes in the cap thingy, and it was spinning everywhere, so I had to fiddle with it, and it's not fixed, but it's what happens when like the seals go on the cheap spray guns. Just a pain really, but oh well, it's only enamel. So there's the second coat done, and a little spider there, so I just sprayed him with the paint and blew him away. Alright guys, so I got them all on. Changes up the look a bit, I really like it. Anyway guys, that's the video for today guys, and I'll see you in the next one.